Are you at risk of receiving hefty fines, penalties and legal action through unauthorised or incorrect use of others' intellectual property? What if you had an email demanding £440 for each item you'd used without the proper permissions? There could be no limit on the number of fines, even years after the material was first used. Stop and take action to make sure you're using intellectual property correctly. Protect your business, non-profit, charity or organisation today against crippling fees and fines. Don't think this is a priority? Think again. Hear from others who've thought the same? £450 fine.
About 2 years ago, I got a notification through that we got an unauthorised photo on the website.
Okay.
And I ended up having to pay, I think it was £450.
Oh, yeah.
Because they'd not got the licence.
Charity, £440 fine. Incorrect use of an image, a whopping £5,000 fine. Are you protecting your logo and brand? Could you be infringing someone else's intellectual property in using it? Could others register your brand name or similar logo first and leave you vulnerable? A company accused of logo infringement, leading to £35,416 in legal costs. A trademark infringement that caused a venue rebrand that led to eventually having to close the business. Another company exceeded £2 million in costs, with £35,000 in damages awarded. Discover how far and wide intellectual property impacts. Doing business and entrepreneurship, creating, performing and entertaining, industry and technology. Learn about the different types of IP that are most relevant for you to protect your work. Take steps today. Can you afford not to take action? You need to get smart about IP. Don't Steal My Stuff and Smart IP Workshop. Find out more at the link www.amanyaipcourses.com.